Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my latest jewelry piece from Capucelli, an 8.35 carat total weight diamond tennis bracelet. We'll go over the brand, I'll show you the unboxing, share how I style it, do a diamond test, and give my final thoughts at the end. As I show you the unboxing, here's a quick background on Capucelli. I've partnered with them since last year and purchased a few pieces, a 4-carat tennis necklace, and a 2-carat solitaire diamond earrings, which I've already reviewed. I'll link those videos down below. Capucelli was created to challenge the idea that luxury jewelry needs to come with a luxury price tag. This is the Capucelli tennis bracelet. It's 8.35 carats total weight in 14 karat yellow gold, F to G color, VS1 to VS2 clarity, and 6.5 inches long. It came beautifully packaged with a pink tag. One says not returnable if tag is removed. Don't forget you can use my exclusive discount code MM15 for 15% off at checkout. A thank you card and a care card, a certificate of authenticity, perfect for insurance purposes, and a free velvet jewelry box with a cleaning cloth, a $99 value. And here's how it looks stacked with my other pieces. I'm wearing my Cartier d'Amour, Cartier Love with 4 diamonds, double row yellow gold tennis bracelet, and now let's add the new Capucelli tennis bracelet. Such a brilliant sparkle. Capucelli was created to challenge the idea that luxury jewelry needs to come with a luxury price tag. By cutting out the middleman, Capucelli offers natural diamonds at whole prices, so you can enjoy quality diamonds every day without breaking the bank. Their motto is "Diamonds for every day." With operations based in Milan, New York, and Long Island, craftsmanship to every piece. They work with a team of expert artisans to deliver exceptional pieces with transparency and care. Now I'm layering with Cartier Justin Clou Pavé diamonds, my engagement ring, and wedding band. A 3-carat moissanite ring from Lanewood's Jewelry, great for travel. Use my code MM20. I will leave the link in the description. The bracelet sits snug on my wrist at 6.5 inches, but now I'm wondering if I should have gone for the 7-inch size instead. Compared to my older tennis bracelets, this one is much whiter and brighter. Now let's take it further, adding 2 Van Cleef & Arpels bracelet, mother of pearl and guilloche. Let's add my Tiffany T-wire bracelet and of course my Bulgari Serpentine bracelet as well. What do you guys think? For me, more is more. I love how I stack them all together. But definitely, I'm not gonna wear this every day like this. So here how it looks in different lighting. Now let's take a closer look. You can really see the cut and clarity of each diamond. And each diamond sparkles so well. Now, time to test it with my diamond tester tool. This is the Juvi Per Prick 2-in-1 diamond tester, which tests for diamond, moissanite, and stimulants. The green light means diamond, the blue light means moissanite. Before testing, I also cleaned the diamond and the tester tip for accuracy. I'll link this tester in the description box. It's super easy to use. Now, my final thoughts. I love this bracelet, but I think the 6.5 inches size is too snug for my wrist. I reached out to Capucelli and they were super helpful. So just a reminder, if you need to return or exchange, do it within 14 days. So I'm sending this back for a size exchange to 7 inches, just a bit more room and comfort. Here's how I'm packing it back using the original packaging. Dropping it off at UPS, and I'll update you guys once I receive the replacement. By the way, I did an exchange last year with my earrings and the process was smooth. So that is it for today's video. If you're looking for affordable, high-quality natural diamonds without the insane markup, check out Capucelli. Use my code MM15 for 15% off your purchase. Everything is linked below in the description. If you have any questions about Capucelli or anything I mentioned today, just drop them in the comments. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell for more jewelry and luxury content. If you found this video helpful, you can always support the channel with a super thanks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!